Creating a gig on Giginsto is essential for showcasing your skills and attracting clients. A well-crafted gig boosts your chances of getting hired and growing your freelancing career. Unlock new opportunities together. Step-by-step guide to creating a gig on Giginsto. Step 1. Sign into your Giginsto account. Step 2. Access the Add a Gig section. Step 3. Title your gig. Step 4. Gig commission. Step 5. Add tags. Step 6. Instant delivery. Step 7. Set your pricing. Step 8. Add extras optional. Step 9. Write a compelling gig description. Step 10. Fill out requirements. Step 11. Upload high-quality images and samples. Step 12. Make gig featured optional. Step 13. Save and submit for approval. Sign into your Giginsto account, open your web browser, and go to giginsto.com. Click Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and access your account. Quick tip: make sure your profile is complete to attract more clients. Access the Add a Gig section. Once logged in, go to your dashboard. Click on Create a Gig in the main menu or under your profile options. Title your gig. Create a clear and concise title for your gig. Examples: I will remove background. I will design 3 modern logos for your business. Pro tip: a compelling title attracts more clients. Gig commission. Add a gig commission to let others promote your gig. Set a commission percentage to reward promoters. Example: 20 commission means promoters earn 20 of each sale. Add tags. Enhance your gig's visibility with relevant tags. Example tags for graphic design, logo design, branding, illustration. Pro tips: make your gig easier to find. Instant delivery. Enable instant delivery to provide immediate access to digital products or services. Ideal for templates, software, guides, or any downloadable content. Pro tip: instant delivery increases customer satisfaction. Set your pricing. Decide on your gig's pricing. Create multiple pricing tiers: AD Basic, Standard, Advance, with different service levels. Ensure your pricing is competitive yet reflects the value of your services. Add extras optional. Offer additional services or gig extras for an extra fee. Examples: faster delivery, additional revisions, extra fee. Write a compelling gig description. Provide a detailed description of your services. Highlight your skills, experience, and unique selling points. Pro tip: use bullet points or short paragraphs for easy readability. Fill out requirements. Specify what information or materials you need from the client to start the gig. Pro tip: clear requirements ensure smooth project execution. Upload high-quality images and samples. Include high-quality images and examples of your work. Make gig featured. Choose the Make Gig Featured option for increased visibility. Your gig will appear in top search results and has a 50% higher chance of being ordered. Save and submit for approval. Review all information for accuracy. Click Save and Submit for approval to make your gig live on Giginsto. Start creating your gig on Giginsto today and unlock new opportunities.